Question number 39. Lucknow is 560 km away from Delhi. A train starts from Delhi to Lucknow at 6 a.m. with a speed of 40 km per hour. Another train starts from Lucknow to Delhi at 7 a.m. with a speed of 60 km per hour. At what distance from Delhi and at what time will the two trains meet? Okay, let's understand the question better with this. I took this as D for Delhi and L for Lucknow. The distance between these two cities is 560 km as per given in the question. Now the train which starts from Delhi is started at 6 a.m. with a speed of 40 km per hour. A train which starts from Lucknow starts at 7 a.m. as it is said here with a speed of 60 km per hour. At what time will they meet? That is one question. And how far from Delhi? This is another question. So first I will find out at what time will they meet. So time, did you observe? This is 6 a.m. and this time is 7 a.m. That means up to 7 a.m. the only one train was traveling, that is the train which was started from Delhi. How much distance will it cover in 1 hour? 40 km is the speed per hour. So obviously it will cover 40 km by 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. what is the distance left to be covered? That's 560 is the total distance, of which 40 km is covered from 6 to 7 by train which left from Delhi. So the remaining distance is 520. This distance has to be covered with an relative speed. Okay, so the distance is 520 at 7 a.m. Now what is the relative speed from 7 a.m. onwards? As they are moving in opposite direction, the relative speed is 40 plus 60, that is 100. So relative speed is equal to 100. So how much time will it take to meet? Obviously the distance by relative speed, that comes 5.2 hours. After 5.2 hours from 7 a.m. these two trains will meet. So 7.2 hours, 0.2 hours, how many minutes that? 0.2, let's take a rough work here, 0.2, that means 2 by 10, so multiply by 60, so 0 gets cancelled, is equal to 12 minutes. So 0.2 hours is equal to 12 minutes. So they will be meeting at what time? After 5 hours 12 minutes from 7 a.m. So the time of meeting is 7 a.m. plus 5 hours 12 minutes. And what is that 5 hours 12 minutes? 7 plus 5 is 12. Yes, and again 12 minutes. That means the time will be 12 p.m. That is in other word noon. So the meeting time is 12 hours 12 minutes in the afternoon. Now the second question, at what distance from Delhi? Okay, so how many hours the train which started from Delhi has travelled? They are meeting after 5 hours 12 minutes. And 1 hour it has already travelled before 7 a.m. because it started at 6 a.m. So the total journey the first train has travelled is 1 hour before the second train starts plus another 5 hours 12 minutes. That means 5 plus 1, that is 6 hours 12 minutes it travels. So how far the train will be away from Delhi? That is depending on what is the speed of the train. The speed of the train is 40 km per hour. So the distance it covers from Delhi will be speed 40 kilometer per hour into time 6 hours 12 minutes. Okay. Now I can convert this 6 hour 12 minutes again in terms of hours, and in terms of hours it will be 6.2 hours. So just multiply with 6.2 hours. So the 0 will be eliminated. 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 6 24. So 248 kilometer away from Delhi, these two trains will meet. This is your second part of the answer.